So I just took the HESI nursing entry exam and I got a cumulative score of 93.20. So I'm just gonna tell you guys everything that you kind of need to know and what you don't need to know so you don't waste your time. So first of all, what I used to study, I used Nurse Hub, I used Quizlet, and I used Nurse Shy on YouTube. Literally just take the practice quizzes, the last 5 practice quizzes on Nurse Hub for anatomy, and you're straight. You're good. You're good. There was like maybe 3 to 5 questions that weren't on Nurse Hub that were on Quizlet, like the menstrual cycle, cardiac output, stuff like that. But literally everything else was on Nurse Hub. What you really need to know for the math section is proportions and ratios. So, you know, if something says like 10 ... I don't know what that's called. Is it a semicolon? I'm not sure. The ... 5 and then comma 10 ... x, you know, just cross multiply and solve and you get x. Fractions, know how to add fractions, know how to subtract fractions, divide and multiply. If you know that, a good like 75% of the test you're good on. Conversions, so like millimeters and grams and liters and centimeters and decameters and kilometers, like that. Know that, but if you just know the trick of King Henry by drinking chocolate milk, then you're good. They also had a lot of like ounces and quarts and pints and gallons. For that one, I say just memorize the gallon man. And military time. Know how to tell military time. If you live in the US and you use like 12:34 p.m., know how to convert it to whatever it is in military time. I'm not doing that in my head right now because I already went through war. War is over. Now for grammar was pretty basic. All you really need to know is the difference between like who and whom, lay and lie. What's a subject? What is a noun? An adjective, a verb. It's not gonna really ask you like just straight out what is a noun, but it's gonna probably ask you like identify the noun within the sentence or identify what's an adjective in the sentence, like in that format. So for reading, I literally just used Quizlet. I just skimmed over a Quizlet, just searched up reading Quizlet, and you'll be fine. I promise you, like I can't even express how much you will be fine. If you're trying to look for a Quizlet for the vocab and